Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about how to reverse any number in the Java. So in order to do this programming, we first declare the scanner class, scanner sc new scanner and system dot in. So this scanner class is actually helps the user to enter the any info. So next line will be system dot out dot println. So in the Eclipse we can only write sys out and control space, then all the line will be written automatically. Here we enter the number, and next third line will be here int a variable which will be num. After that sc is a reference variable in scanner class, and next int. So next int will help us to enter the any number through keyboard. After that we will use here another variable which is a int sum and assign the value 0. So we will show you further that why we will assign the 0 here. And next thing we will do here, actually we will use the while loop, and while loop where num is greater than 0, curly bracket. Here we declare the another variable ram num modulus 10, and then we use the sum is equal to sum 10 plus ram, and after that we will use the third line here num is equal to 10. So what is the algorithm of this lines here actually? So we will understand it. The num is divided by 10 and the remainder will be stored in RAM, and whatever remainder is stored in the RAM here, the sum is already a 0. The sum multiplied by 10 will be a 0 or whatever. Suppose that we enter the 865, so sum 0 plus here is a 0, 10 multiplied by 0 is a 0, plus 865 last digit is 5, the 5 will be added to the 0, the sum will be a 5. And here num is divided by 10. So in Java, when you divide any number by 10, the only integer part will be stored and decimal part will be truncated. So num will be, if you enter the 865, the num will become a 86. 86 is already again 86 is a greater than 0. So if you divide 86 by 10, then will be 6 will be a remainder, and 5 is already the sum variable. 5 is already in the sum. So 5 multiplied by 10 is actually the 50. 50 plus RAM is 6. Then 865, 86 here is will be 8 stored. 8 is also greater than 0, last digit is also. So the digit will be reversed like that. Next thing we will do here, actually we will write system sys out num. So we will check our program is right or not, what will be our output. So mistake is a part of progress actually, so we can do mistakes. It's not a necessary that we cannot do mistakes. So 7890. So here is the mistake. What is the mistake? The mistake is actually this. Sum multiply 10, this sum. We will check again. And 865, it will be a 568. So our programming is right.